Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by stabilizing the source. Mount your camera on a tripod or hold a gimbal to remove large jerks. Turn on any in-camera stabilizer. This reduces crop later and preserves quality. Once done, pick a stable resolution and frame rate like 4K/30 FPS to keep detail for corrections. Record a 10-20-second test clip and watch it. This reveals dominant shake directions and frequency. Make sure to clear the scene of small hazards. You now bring the clip into an editor with a warp or optical stabilizer effect. Apply the effect and set analysis to full frame so the algorithm can track motion accurately. Once done, set smoothness around 50% as a baseline, then preview and increase slowly to avoid stretching or wobble artifacts. If the subject must remain exactly framed, add a motion track or pin anchor points to preserve composition while the background smooths out. You finish by cropping just enough to remove black edges the stabilizer created, making sure to preserve your intended aspect ratio. After cropping, apply light sharpening and color correction because stabilization can soften detail. Do these last? If you still see periodic wobble or warping, split the clip at problem points and rerun stabilization with a stronger motion model on those segments. One key troubleshooting tip: if the footage becomes distorted, reduce smoothness and stabilize in smaller sections to maintain natural motion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.